studies show that these kind of stories in general, or just stories in general, activate up to 7 regions of the brain, while facts alone only activate with 2. And this is why it's 2. Sometimes professors, or even where you are, give examples of things, or they'll tell a story that backs up the facts, is because you're more hardwired to remember that way. So brands using emotional storytelling do see 70% higher engagement rates. So as marketers, business people, whatever careers you go into, just always remember to tie it back to the person. Who are you trying to connect with? How do you connect? How do you tell that story? You can apply these elements in all sorts of different careers, right? But really, when it comes down to emotion, you're going to see higher results.